So I have a light bar on my Jeep. I really like it when it's night out in the desert. I can see real well. But the problem is that thing makes a lot of noise. The vents on the back of it, when the air goes across, it makes it whistle. And I've seen a bunch of fixes online. I know these edge stripping, door edge stripping, whatever. You put it on the vents and it'll keep it from whistling. But the problem is these always fall off after a little bit. You can sell these here at the four-wheel shop, but these really suck. And actually, for a while, I just tied a shop rag around it because that actually broke up the wind about the best out of all of them, and you know, would stop it from whistling. All that stuff kind of falls off after a while. So what I went ahead and did was drill holes every 5 inches on this thing, and then I wrapped some speaker wire around it, and soldered a little bit so it's stuck on there really good. I wish it was black wire. I didn't have any. And it works pretty good. It still actually whistles a little bit in between 30 and 50 miles an hour. Not really loud, but anything below that or above that, it doesn't make very much noise at all. So this has been about the best fix that I've done. I'm really surprised that these places that make these have not tried to do something to fix it, because at least mine makes a ton of noise, almost enough that I was ready to take it off. So hope that helps somebody out. And if I was to do it again, I think I would actually probably drill holes every 2.5 inches and see if it would even make it a little bit quieter. I don't think you know, where it's at right now, I think I'm pretty satisfied with it. So I might add some more wire crap to it to try to make it a little bit quieter in the future, but it's pretty good this way. So anyways, hope it helps you out.